It was a typical summer morning in the remote town of Krasnoyarsk. The sun was just starting to peek over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the forested landscape. Suddenly, without warning, the world was plunged into chaos. A massive explosion, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, rocked the area. The force of the blast flattened an estimated of 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers. The explosion was so powerful that it was heard as far away as London, and it caused a bright light that was visible in the skies over Asia and Europe. As the dust began to settle and the survivors started to emerge from the rubble, it became clear that this was no ordinary explosion. It was something truly extraordinary, something that would go down in history as one of the most mysterious and unexplained events of all time, the Tunguska event. In the days and weeks that followed, scientists and researchers from all over the world flocked to the site of the explosion to try and understand what had happened. They collected samples, took measurements, and scoured the area for clues. But despite their best efforts, the cause of the Tunguska event remained a mystery. Some scientists suggested that it was caused by a meteorite impact. They pointed to the lack of an impact crater at the site, which would be expected if a meteorite had struck the ground. They also found evidence of high levels of nitrogen and other elements that are typically found in meteorites at the site of the explosion. Others proposed a more unconventional explanation, a UFO crash. They argued that the lack of an impact crater and the high levels of nitrogen and other elements found at the site could have been the result of the explosion of an advanced propulsion system. There were also theories that it was caused by a miniature black hole passing through the Earth, or even a mini supernova, which is a small-scale explosion of a dying star. But despite the extensive research that has been conducted, the exact cause of the Tunguska event remains a mystery to this day. Some scientists have even proposed sending a probe to the site in order to search for underground caves or other structures that might have been created by the explosion. As we look back on the Tunguska event, it's clear that it was a truly massive explosion that had a profound impact on the region and the world. It's a reminder of the incredible power and unpredictability of nature. This event remains one of the most mysterious and unexplained events in history, and it's a story that continues to captivate us to this day. So if you're as fascinated by this mystery as we are, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll keep bringing you the latest theories, research, and evidence on the Tunguska event as we work to unravel one of the greatest mysteries of all time.